What's the best way for our kids to learn about the opportunities they have for careers once they graduate from high school? Well, you take them to the job site. And that's part of what Manufacturing Day is all about. And that's our topic all this week on Dateline Schools. And to learn more about this year's Manufacturing Day, my special guest is the Director of Business and Community Services for the Economic Development Alliance here in St. Clair County, Bruce Seymore. And Bruce, can you just kind of give us a nutshell what this Manufacturers Day is all about?
Absolutely, Terry. Manufacturing Day is a national event that celebrates manufacturing, all things manufacturing. It's a way to open up the doors to area manufacturing operations to show people what manufacturing does and the important role it plays in our economy and in our country. Oftentimes we hear about with students when they're asked where your food comes from, the answer is a grocery store, and they think that's it. The same is true for manufacturing. Oftentimes they think a car is just at a dealership, but it takes a lot of steps before a car even hits the showroom floor before it wheels out there. So this is a way to open their eyes to show them what manufacturing is, all the different opportunities that are available within manufacturers, and also to show them the interesting and exciting careers that are available to them.
Is this something relatively new? Has it been around for a while?
It's been around for a while. Here in St. Clair County, we've been celebrating it for 5 years. This is the 5th year. And what we do here in St. Clair County is take every 10th grader for all of our high schools on a tour of a local manufacturing operation.
And there's quite a few operations around the area, and diverse operations too, isn't there?
Absolutely. We are in Michigan, and so of course we have a predominance of manufacturers in the automotive industry, but we also do have a number of others manufacturers in other industries as well. Just to name a few, we've got paper companies here, we've got medical device manufacturers, we've got companies that are making consumer goods, and of course our auto suppliers.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.